Welcome! Today, we're diving into something that impacts so many aspects of our well-being: nutrition for hormone balance. It's a topic that can feel complex, but understanding how the food we eat influences our hormones can be incredibly empowering. Think of your hormones as tiny messengers, orchestrating everything from your mood and energy levels to your sleep and digestion. When they're in sync, you feel fantastic. When they're a bit out of whack, it can throw your whole system off. The good news is, we have a powerful tool at our disposal: our diet. It's not about restrictive eating or chasing fads. Instead, it's about nourishing your body with the right building blocks. For instance, healthy fats are absolutely crucial. They're not just for satiety, they're fundamental for hormone production. Think avocados, nuts, seeds, and quality olive oil. Incorporating these into your meals provides your body with the essential components it needs to create and regulate hormones effectively. Fiber is another unsung hero. Found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, fiber plays a vital role in supporting healthy digestion and can help manage blood sugar levels, which in turn influences hormone production. When your blood sugar is stable, it prevents those sharp spikes and crashes that can disrupt hormonal harmony. Protein is also key. It provides the amino acids necessary for hormone synthesis and repair. Aim for lean protein sources like fish, poultry, beans, and lentils. These not only support hormone function, but also keep you feeling full and satisfied, contributing to overall balance. And let's not forget the importance of micronutrients. Vitamins and minerals act as cofactors in countless bodily processes, including hormone regulation. For example, magnesium, found in leafy greens and dark chocolate, is involved in hundreds of enzymatic reactions, including those related to hormone production and signaling. Zinc, present in pumpkin seeds and oysters, is also essential for hormone metabolism. Making mindful food choices can have a profound, positive impact. It's about creating a sustainable way of eating that supports your body's natural rhythms. Start by focusing on whole, unprocessed foods. Gradually introduce more of the nutrient-dense options we've discussed. Listen to your body. It will tell you what it needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this has provided some clarity and inspiration for your journey towards better hormone balance through nutrition. If you found this helpful, please consider following for more insights into living a healthier, more vibrant life.